guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of the family. Now, I'm really excited about today's video. I am doing a Shein haul. I've seen some reviews, some mixed reviews on this kind of like clothing e-commerce store, and I thought, you know what, why not go ahead and buy a few things and try it on. And I just got my order in like 4 days ago, and I haven't had a chance to really sit down, go through everything, try it on. So I'm going to do it today on camera, which I'm really excited about. And I know there's been a ton of Shein hauls, and I'm probably late to the party, but I still just want to order off of it. And this might be a regular thing if I really like what they have. My next goal is also to do a Pretty Little Thing and Misguided, because what better is there to do during a quarantine? Why not just spend some money on clothes that I'm probably not really going to wear this summer? But yeah, I'm super excited about this video, and let's just get right into it. Hey guys, before we just jump right in, I just want to do a little screen recording of everything that I purchased. So right there, you can also pause the video and just take a scroll if you like what you see. And I just wanted to include this for you guys, just so you could see the prices and everything that I had purchased for myself. Okay, so this is the first shirt that I want to show off. I want to start with all the shirts that I got first, and then move on to like the shorts and skirt, and then my two-piece outfits. Now, I got this out of the Ditsy Floral section. I think it goes like this. And it's cute, but for someone with a larger chest area, I don't feel like it fits me right. I mean, I'm wearing a strapless bra at the moment. Oopsie. I'm wearing a strapless black bra at the moment, and I don't think that this would be a good bra to wear this with. I don't know if you know about the deep V-neck ones from Victoria's Secret. I think I'd probably buy something like that if I was going to wear a shirt like this. Now, I think it would probably look better with people who have a smaller chest area, so this might be a shirt that I give away or I give to my sister, just because I don't think I'd feel comfortable leaving the house in it. It's super cute. I really like it, and the material is actually really, really nice. And I like the cut of how it goes at the top. I just don't like that it doesn't kind of fit this area. But it's not bad. It's not bad for the first shirt that I bought, and it wasn't too expensive. I took a screen recording of everything that I bought off Shein, so if you're interested in this and you like it, you'll know where to go and what it's called. Hi, okay, so this is the next one. This is the Floral Lace Peasant Sleeve Crop Top. I mean, it's super cute, and I really like the flower detail. I think it's really nice. The only thing is that if you don't want it to be too cropped, like, I don't know if that makes sense, or too short, I would go a size up. This is a large, and I do feel like it's a little more cropped than I would like. I thought it was going to be longer down here. I'd probably wear super high-waisted jeans with this, so you can't really see my tummy. But yeah, I would say go a size up if you don't want it to be right below your bust, because that's what's happening to me. It's actually like right on my bust, and my bra is right here. My bra is kind of sinking a little bit too. Also, the material is very thin, but the sleeves are very spacious, and they're actually super comfortable. Overall, I like it. I don't know how much I like it on me, but it's not bad. I would wear it, probably not very often. And like I said, with a really nice pair of high-waisted jeans. Sleeves are spacious, kind of tight around the bust area. It's a little too cropped for my liking, but the flower detail is super nice, and it is super comfortable. It's easy to maneuver and get out of. It is just also loose at the back, which is odd. Like, back here is really loose, and you can see my bra sliding down. That's the only thing I'm not happy about, but overall, I think it's super cute, and I do really like it. But I do want to let you guys know some of the things that I found with this top. Well, not bad, just music over here. Okay, so this is the Shein Ditsy Floral Self-Tie Wrap Top. Now, I had to go back to the site to figure out how to tie this properly, and I think you bring it around like this. My bra is showing, sorry. And then you bring it back around like this. You can probably hear some background noise, and I apologize for that. And then you do like a bow here. This is how I think she did it on site. And then I think it's like that. See, now this is really, really cute, and I like that the sleeves are a little poofy at the sides. And it's not too tight on the arms or anything. It's a little tight here, but you can always loosen it. Like I said, it's a self-tie wrap. And the only problem that I kind of have with it is that at the back, it's like loose back here. So maybe I can like adjust it, but it's kind of funky. I could probably do some sewing and bring in the sides to make it less like that. But it is overall really, really cute, and I really like this top. And it's super comfortable, to be honest. Nice and easy. With, again, with high-waisted jeans, even low-waisted jeans, I'd probably wear it with high-waisted because it is cropped. But it is really nice. I'll probably take pictures in this one. But this one is really comfortable, and this one is just super cute. And it was only $13 Canadian, which was not bad at all. So I was really happy about that price, actually. Like this. I like this one. This one is really nice. Okay, so this is the next shirt. This is the bell sleeve floral top. It is super nice, like super comfortable. And the material is actually really, really nice. And I'm so happy with this purchase. It's giving me Rihanna Wild Thoughts type of vibes, and I really, really like it. Material soft. There is a little bit of thread pulling at some points. Nothing too worried about. I'm just gonna cut it off. And I'm really hoping this is gonna last me long, because it is super cute. I can see myself wearing this for a date night once quarantine is over. But yeah, I give this like 5 stars. This is super cute, and I'm really happy I purchased it. You know what? I'm really liking Shein stuff. I really think that they have good stuff. I know sometimes it's hit or miss, but so far everything I've tried on, I really do like. And I have nothing really bad to say about anything. I don't. Oh, you might be able to hear my sister and her baby in the background, and I apologize for that. But overall, so far, I like everything that I have purchased. Yeah, this is so cute. And I really love bell sleeves. I feel like that's in right now. And it's been in maybe for like a year. So I really, really do like this top. Okay, so this is the next item. This is the skirt I bought. I'm going to do the skirt and shorts next. This is just my top at home, just like a tank top. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm super tall too. I really like this. I got this also out of the Ditsy Floral section. It is just one of the skirts. I already put, well, you'll see the name in the screen recording that I put in the video right at the beginning. It's really nice. Just to let you guys know, I am 5'11", so I am pretty tall. Now, I think that this skirt is long enough where I shouldn't have any issues, but I do feel like the back is a little short, that if wind blew up, wouldn't be a great thing. So I'd probably wear some shorts underneath, but the material is super nice and super pretty, and I actually really like it. I think it looks really, really nice on me. And it's super comfortable. I also got this in a large. So this was in a large because I was really worried about sizes, and I honestly could have gotten it in a medium, but the extra room is really nice. Especially when I wash it, it might shrink. Okay, so now these are the shorts I got. I know it kind of looks like the skirt. I believe I also got this out of the Ditsy Floral section. That was my favorite section on Shein's website. I actually really liked it, and they're very summery. I also really appreciate the band that they did across. I feel like it kind of makes my stomach look thinner than it actually is. And once again, these shorts are super comfortable. Like, I can put my hands in them, I can move around in them. I feel like, okay, no, I'm not doing it. I feel like my butt looks nice in them. And honestly, they're just super comfy and great summer shorts. Like, you're not going to sweat. That's one thing I hate, because sometimes my thighs do get sweaty in the summertime. And I feel like this, it will make it all breezy and comfortable, and I should have no issues. So this is definitely something that you should purchase. Like, and I think it was only like $10, but I don't remember. I'm gonna post everything, but this was not expensive at all. And honestly, it's really nice material. It is also not see-through, which I was worried about because it is kind of a thin material. Other than the band, down here is a thin material, and it's not see-through. So that's awesome. Okay, so I'm moving on to the two-piece outfits, as you can see. This one is just like a basic green olive shorts, cute white crop top. It's not bad, but if I'm being honest, it's not my favorite. I think it doesn't look too bad on me, but it's not really something that I would go out in. I thought the top was going to be a different material. It's very thin, as you can see. You can probably see my black strapless bra through here, which I knew some of their clothes was going to be hit or miss. This for me is definitely a miss. The white top I don't like at all. The green shorts I actually do really like, and it's not too tight. It's not too tight on my legs or anything, as you can see. Sorry, I can't aim down the camera properly, but it's not too bad. And you know, I just realized I'm wearing it backwards. I am wearing them backwards. My pockets are going in. Why do I do this to myself? Okay, well, whatever. It's literally the exact same thing. I tied it the wrong way, so I tied it this way. Who cares? I like the green shorts, to be honest. I think it's super nice, and I think you can hear the baby crying. Yeah, you can probably hear the baby crying. So sorry about that, but yeah, I didn't like the white top, but I did the shorts. I just wouldn't pair it with this personally. But other than that, it's not too bad. I mean, they weren't too expensive, so I might just give this to somebody, to be honest. Okay, so this is the next two-piece outfit. This is the Ditsy Floral Butterfly Sleeve Top with the belted shorts. I just tied them around. This is super cute, like super cute and super comfortable. It's not tight on the arms at all. Like I can move my arms up and down, which I'm really happy about. It does kind of slide up at moments. It could also be because of my bra. So I do feel like with this, I may have to pull it down a little bit. The shorts are not tight. It does rise. Sometimes it rises up. But overall, I think it makes me look really nice. I like the way I look in it. This would be great for vacation if you could actually leave to go on vacation. But so far, I like most of the things I've gotten from Shein. I think the material is really nice. It's not too heavy. This, I wouldn't want this to be heavy. So I don't mind that this is a thin material. And even though it's thin, it is not see-through, which I absolutely love because that white one we had before was not it. This I actually really like. And I might order more of the two-piece outfits because so far I'm kind of liking them. And I do really like this one. Okay, so out of everything I ordered, I honestly think that this is my favorite. Now, this is the one shoulder top in contrast tipping wind pants, and I am absolutely in love with this. It gives me very 90s type of vibes. The pants is wind pants, but they're super comfortable. Like, sorry, I'm kind of doing squats in them. Like, I thought these were going to be tight because I got this in a large, and I was a little worried about the sizes. Like I said before, people have kind of said they're a little sketchy when it comes to sizes and the material. So I was really concerned, but I think out of my purchase, this is my favorite one. I have this baby girl necklace that I think I'd wear with this. I think it would look really cute. And maybe my white Nike Air Force Ones, just to match the white stripes on the pants. Yeah, I think this is super common. This is definitely my favorite purchase. And I think anyone who buys this is going to look so good on. Doesn't matter your body type, this is going to look cute. And once again, this is my favorite purchase. Material's nice. Top is nice and form-fitting. A little loose, which I like. Not too tight, but with the wash, it will probably shrink a little bit. These pants, I gotta figure out how to wash these actually because I don't know how. But yeah, we will figure it out. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Those are all the clothes that I ordered and also wanted to try on. Now, in my screen recording, you're gonna see that there's like this top with matching shorts. It's a two-piece outfit, but it did not fit. Like I actually could not get this over my arms properly. It was not comfortable. I got this in a medium, and the shorts wouldn't fit over your girl's thighs or butt, and I was like, no, this really isn't it. So I was not gonna sit here and struggle on camera. So it is what it is. But I just want to let you guys know in case you're like, what happened? Also, there was a white crop top that I bought and I cannot find it anywhere. I remember getting it and I swear to God I put it in my drawer, so I'm gonna have to go ask my sisters where they put it or if they took it up because I cannot find it and I wanted to try it on for this video. Don't know where it is. So the white crop top and this little two-piece outfit, just no, it's not gonna happen. But I would say on a scale of 1 to 5, like 5 stars, I'm going to give Shein and what I received personally. I know everyone has a different experience. I'm going to give them a 4. A 4. The reason I'm not going to give them a 5 is because I did have some clothes that were very thin. Like I had the white shirt that you could see through. And the sizes are a little sketchy. But overall, I actually really enjoyed what I got from the site. And the prices are really reasonable. So I feel like this is a place I'm going to order from again. And maybe keep ordering from. And if people like this, I'm going to keep doing hauls because so far I really like what I've gotten. And on my body type especially, just to show you, I get a little nervous about ordering online. And I'm really happy so far with everything I've gotten considering my body type. I know everyone's different, but just for me, I was a little nervous, but I am super excited about what I got. But yeah, thank you again. And please subscribe before I forget, leave a like, and leave a comment.